Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into the world of branding with a comprehensive review of Looka, the best AI logo generator in 2024. The link to Looka is in the description. In the digital age, a captivating logo is essential for building brand identity and credibility. With Looka's AI-powered logo generator, creating a stunning logo has never been easier. In this review, we'll explore Looka's features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in generating logos that leave a lasting impression. Looka offers a plethora of features designed to streamline the logo creation process. Its AI algorithms analyze your brand name, industry, and preferences to generate a variety of logo designs tailored to your specifications. From sleek and modern to classic and timeless, Looka provides endless design possibilities to suit every brand aesthetic. Additionally, Looka allows for customization, enabling users to tweak colors, fonts, and icons to achieve the perfect look for their brand. One of Looka's standout features is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice entrepreneur, Looka's intuitive platform makes logo creation a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can browse through a gallery of professionally designed logos and customize them to reflect your brand's unique identity. The platform's drag-and-drop functionality and real-time preview feature ensure a seamless design experience from start to finish. In terms of effectiveness, Looka excels in delivering high-quality logo designs that resonate with audiences. Its AI-driven approach ensures that every logo generated is tailored to the user's specific requirements, resulting in professional-looking designs that capture the essence of the brand. Moreover, Looka's extensive customization options allow for further refinement, enabling users to fine-tune their logos until they're perfect. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again in our next video.